The dough mixer is the main equipment for pasta processing. It mainly mixes dough and water according to a certain ratio to make dough. We change the main equipment to replace labor working and reduce labor intensity. It can also be used for mixing other materials. It's widely used in canteens, restaurants, pasta processing units. According to mixing form, the equipment currently is divided into two types. The first type is the circular bar type, mainly used to make a tough dough. During the mixing process, extrusion blending tomato, cut with a knife, and then make it into a uniform dough. The second type is knife type. It mixes fast and the dough is uniform. Before using dough mixer, it should be placed on a horizontal dry floor. Confirm that the machine is stable and reliable. Check if the machine fasteners are loose, and if there is any foreign matter in the dough mixer. If there is, use to clean up the foreign body in time.